What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome to a trade execution video. Now this is a voiceover, and this trade execution was actually originally wrong, as in it's an offside reversal because I originally went short, and then you'll see I actually reversed my position when I realized that we're likely going to be trading higher. So yeah, I hope you find this interesting. I've seen ICT do this once, an offside reversal, so I was interested to see could I also trade in the wrong direction and then manage to reverse it and still become profitable. So you'll see that after we traded through that 50% level of that wick that happened at 8:30 with news release, I was like, okay, we're likely going to remain bullish. So I clicked reverse, as you just saw, moved my stop loss below the order block, and then I now expect the price to run to that buy side target. So it was unfortunate that I was on the wrong side originally, but it just shows how you can be wrong, or you can be on the wrong side but still manage to become profitable if you know how the market is going to deliver. So here you can see our price expands up, and we're just about to take the profit target. And then at this time, we're just moving towards that 9 AM time where we do anticipate retracement, and you'll see I also entered another small position. So here's the typical 8:30 to 9:30 retracement where we come back into a fair value gap. You see I went long right here, and then I managed to scalp a few more pips on top of my position from here onwards, which was nice to see. So I also went long on GBP, and you'll see that GBP actually had a much larger expansion to the upside compared to Euro at this point. And that allowed me to be profitable on both pairs. So yeah, quite an interesting trade, to be honest. Like I said, it's interesting that I could be wrong at the start but managed to reverse my position and still come out profitable. I did leave a little bit running, and you'll see that we did trade higher if you've been looking at the charts. But yeah, very interesting. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want more context on the trade, make sure to watch yesterday's video. And to be honest, I shouldn't have been going short in a trending environment anyway, because we knew price was going to go trade higher. So for me to go short, it was kind of stupid on my behalf. But yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.